In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find hidden photos in Google Photos app on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And first off, guys, we need to open up Google Photos app. Now I'm gonna show you how we can easily hide any photo. To do that, we just need to open up that photo. Then hit right here at these three dots, just like that. And then if we drag this bar, we'll find the option which is called Moved to Lock folder. If we tap on it and then hit move, what that will do, that will hide or actually delete that photo from your Google Photos gallery, and it will move this photo to the hidden photos within the Google Photos app. Now I'm gonna show you how we can easily find those photos. To do that, we need to tap right here at Library, then tap at Utilities, and then if we scroll down to the very bottom, we'll find Locked folder. If I tap at Lock folder, it will require to use Face ID to get access to it. And once I confirmed my identity by using my face, it shows me the locked folder where we can find all the folders we have ever locked in Google Photos app. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.